How to add MusicBot to Discord server. Hey everyone, if you are wondering how you're able to add MusicBot to your Discord server, you've come to the right place. So let's just see a step-by-step guide on how you are able to do this. First off, you're going to have to head over to discord.com/app, or you could use the application instead as well. I'm gonna be continuing on with my web browser. So what I can do here is once your Discord is open, find the server where you want to add your Discord bot or the music bot. So the first thing you want to do is head over to your server. Let me just quickly go ahead and head over to my server here. And let's say I want to add a music bot to this server. The first thing I can do is just click on the drop down over here. And then from here, go to app directory. Now, once you are on the app section, on the right hand side here, you'll find the search bar. Click on it, and then you can just simply click on type in Greenbot, hit enter. You'll find Greenbot right here on top. Click on it. Then you'll find this option called Add App. Click on the button over here. Once you click on the button, keep scrolling all the way to the end and select what server you want to add to. Click on the drop down, and then from here select your server. I'll just select this one over here, and once you select your server, click on continue. Once your server is selected, make sure all of these boxes are checked, and then click on authorize, and then click on I'm a human. And once you verify your account, you should be able to find Greenbot added to your server. Now just go ahead and click on Go to Server. And as you can see here, Greenbot has been added. Now, if you want to play music, you can just join any one of the voice channels. Go to the search icon here on the messages, type in /play, and then add a query. So let's just do Demons by Imagine Dragon. Hit enter. Now, if Greenbot is able to find the music, it's going to start playing on your voice channel. As you can see here, Greenbot is playing Demons by Imagine Dragon. You can just right click on it, increase its volume, and you should be able to hear the music. That is basically it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.